The I-Team spent an hour with State's Attorney Kim Foxx for what amounts to an exit interview, talking about the cases that have challenged her most these past 8 years, the highs and the lows, the intensity of a job that begins literally every morning with a rude awakening.
I meet people at the worst moments of their lives. I wake up every morning and the first email that I read is who was charged with murder, rape, a death, or sexual assault of children.
Do you personally feel good about the results you're leaving in this office?
As I look now where I sit, and Illinois has abolished cash bail, where we have led the country in the vacating of wrongful convictions for the last 6 out of the last 7 years.
Will there be one case that will pop into your head and say, boy, those 8 years were with value?
I remember distinctly Arthur Brown, who was who was convicted of an arson. I think I was put here to make sure that Arthur Brown got to go home. I should point out that this office prosecuted the killers of Ella French, Paul Bauer, Hadia Pendleton, and names that people haven't made the news. Paul Bauer was murdered within eyeshot of me during the workday. And so for our office to take on the awesome responsibility of prosecuting his killer and watching that conviction come through and being with his family that night is a great honor to bring justice to them.
Jussie Smollett.
Yeah.
Was that a mistake, the way you handled it as you sit there now?
I don't know that I would call it a mistake, Chuck. I think we learn from everything that happens.
What do you hope your legacy to be?
For these little girls who are growing up, little black girls growing up across this city, whose first lawyer, they can touch her hand, can give me a hug, can have me encourage them, tell them I went to Chicago public schools just like they did. And there's a new generation of servants coming. And if I have had a role in inspiring them to do that, that would be my greatest legacy.
If what's next for Foxx involves a political campaign and a run for some other office, she isn't saying. But she isn't talking like someone planning to be a candidate for anything right away. Her immediate future will be recovering from her immediate past, where each morning began with the drumbeat of violence.